Bluey raced across the backyard fast. Bingo chased right behind her, laughing loud. Suddenly the sky darkened quick. Could a storm be rolling in? Bandit grabbed the clothesline, rushing hard. Chilli called everyone inside now. Rusty pointed upward in shock. Could that cloud be alive? A massive swirl spun above, glowing red. Muffin gasped, "It looks like an eye huge." Indy stumbled back, clutching socks tight. Could it be watching us? The ground trembled under their feet strong. Bluey shouted, "We can't just hide." Bingo lifted her balloon high again. Could it protect them? Lightning struck, but the balloon glowed bright. Sparks danced harmlessly around the kids, safe. Rusty yelled, "It's a shield, amazing." Could they fight the storm? The swirling cloud lowered closer, fierce. A giant face formed in the thunder loud. Chilli held Bandit's hand tight. Could it want something? Bluey stepped forward, bravely bold. She shouted, "Tell us why you're here." The storm roared, shaking trees hard. Could it answer her call? Suddenly the cloud voice boomed deep. "I guard the secret of the skies proud." Muffin covered her ears from the sound strong. Could they survive this trial? The storm face challenged them with lightning fast. Bluey dodged left while Bingo ran right quick. Indy shouted, "Don't stop running." Could teamwork be the key? Rusty grabbed a fallen branch, holding firm. He struck the lightning, sending sparks away wild. Socks barked loud, adding courage fierce. Could they weaken the storm? Bit by bit the storm cracked apart, glowing. The red eye faded into blue calm. The ground stopped shaking, quiet at last. Could they have won? From the cloud fell a crystal, glowing pure. Bluey caught it carefully in her paws, strong. Everyone gathered around, amazed. Could this hold power? The crystal lit up, showing a vision bright. A path to new worlds appeared inside, shining. Bandit whispered, "This is only the start." Could endless adventures wait? And if you're ready to chase the storm with them, smash that like, subscribe now, and don't miss the next thunderous adventure.